Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 10 to hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube, and I'll link her down below or tag her or whatever everybody says. So week 10, I busted out my old glimmer mist that I got in a class years and years ago, and it was called Glimmer Mist, and I still have quite a few different ones. And this is scarlet, and then I used turquoise blue, and then fully purple is the other one, and then I used sunflower. So I wanted to use these up because there's just, a little bit left, and I wanted to use them. I think they go a long way. Anyway, I don't even know if they sell them still. So what I did is I sanded down my card, and then I gessoed it lightly with some watered down gesso. Okay, I let it dry, or I made it dry. I made it dry pretty much. And then I sprayed it here and there. Oops, sorry. I think you can see the yellow, here's the blue, and then the purple is somewhere. Maybe here, there's some of the scarlet. Is that it? Scarlet? Yeah. Here. So I just love how that turned out. It's a different background. And then I went over it with some vintage photo and walnut stain. And then I stamped this border, which is from the Dollar Tree stamp set. And it was just sitting here on my desk. And here it is. I used that. I just stamped it, and then I ripped some book pages from my stash. This is a sticker from the Dollar Tree, and it came from this set here. And I'm only using bits and pieces of it, so I figured I'd go ahead and use that. And then this was from my stash as well. This is Calm. And I stamped the script stamp from Dollar Tree as well. It's been sitting on my desk, and I'm using it constantly. You probably are sick of seeing it, but I just love how it adds a little bit of text here and there on my ATC. Well, my altered playing card, and you can still see the 10 in the background here and here. So that is March 7th. I didn't think I'd get this done in time. I've been super busy with work, and I haven't crafted in like almost 5 days. But I sat down, and I knew I had to get this done for today or for tomorrow. It's Wednesday night here. But I do love how this turned out, and this really stands out, and all the inking and the sprays, the shimmer sprays in the background. I just love how it looks. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.